Hello guys, what's up? It's your Dog Dog Diaries here and welcome back to my channel! Ayun na nga guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of weeks again since hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi I've been working so hard lately and now it's going to be our well-deserved vacation. So saan tayo pupunta? Secret lang yan guys. Finally, after several months again of working and nagkaroon po kami ng urlaub or vacation. And me, Michelle, and Nico are actually going to Amsterdam, okay? Ayan guys, so may kumakatok sa pinto ko. Wait lang. Wait! Nagbablog ako!
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm back. Ayan, so nag-say bye-bye lang sa amin si Aristel. And we're actually about to leave, going to Amsterdam! Finally, guys, after like so many years, ang galing talaga ni Lord, no? Kasi before mina-manifest ko lang ulit na sana makarating ako sa Amsterdam again kasi I was there back when it was like around 2018 maybe. Pero hindi ko kasi siya masyado na-enjoy kasi nga I was working on a cruise back then. So ilang hours lang kami outside and hindi ko masyadong na-explore yung city of Amsterdam. But right now, kaka-manifest natin. Ayan, so makakapunta na ako ulit. I'm really excited and happy because this is like a long vacation, of course. Excited na ako, mag-11 na. So, ayun na nga, ang haba na ng intro natin. So, sige na, bye-bye na! So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa train. Say hi! Hi!
Hello.
Ayan, so kami lang yung tao dito sa train kasi it's already 11. So, ayan. Samahan nyo kami. Magta-travel tayo to Amsterdam. Bye! Matatulog po na kami. Bye! So guys, we are actually on our way to Hanover. And pupunta muna kami ng Köln. So that's actually Cologne. Pero Köln lang pag German. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right though. So, ayun. Umalis kami ng around 11. We still have few hours left. So, it's actually a total of 9 hours papuntang Köln. And then, additional 2 to 3 hours papuntang Amsterdam. So, mababang biyahe pa to guys. And it's already 2 a.m. in the morning. Ayan, tulog na si Mitch. And si Nico is nasa kabilang nandun sa tapat namin. So, there's a lot of train transfers actually na nangyayari. But it's fine. Kaya namin to. Okay? So, ciao for now. Bye! Guys, after few hours of travel, ayan, we're here. So, after 9 hours, guys, tada! Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, hello Nico. Finally,
Hello.
we're here in Dome, in Cologne. So, ayan siya. And maghahanap kami ng mga restaurants. Oh, I'm doing vlogging. There's Michelle and Mindy. Ayan. So, where are we going na?
Where are we going now?
So, we're going to look for some foods. And naging yaya na po si Nico. Siya yung nagdadala ng luggage ko. Ayun lang guys. And mag-update kami sa inyo pagka nakahanap na kami ng makakainan. We will stay here muna for a few hours before going to Amsterdam. So, see you. Bye! So guys, dito kami ngayon sa kalagitnaan ng highway. Charo! Ang haba na nilakad pala namin guys, hindi kami na-informed na ganito pala kalayo yung parkingan ni Mendy. So, ayun lang. And papunta na kami sa Amsterdam, but we're gonna go back here in Köln for 2 days. So, kaya hindi na muna kami naikot-ikot. Doon na muna kami sa Dome. Tapos, diretso na kami ng Amsterdam. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye ka na. So, guys, ayan. Nandito na kami sa car. And we are on our way. It's like 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, matutulog na ako. Si Mitch hindi pa rin matulog. Tulog na si Nico. So, ayun lang. See you guys later if nakarating na kami. Welcome back. Char. Okay, so we're here in Amsterdam. Ito na yung hotel namin. That's Mercure Hotel. Ayan guys. So, hindi kasi Mercure. I don't know if it's Mercure. Basta yun. So dito kami sa lobby. Ayan, so mag-check-in muna kami or maybe drop the bags and then we go tour around the city. Di ba, Nico? Lasing ba si Nico? Sure, Aaron, let's go. Sila. Actually, mahal yung hotel pero nakapag-discount kami. Kasi nga si Mindy is part siya ng Accor Corporation, Accor Group of Companies. So, ayun lang, papasok na kami. Nandito na kami sa lobby, guys. And we're going to check and see if pwede na mag-check-in. Oh. Happy ka, Mitch? Ikaw, Nico, happy ka?
Hindi ako happy.
Hello everyone, hindi pa pwede mag-check-in. Nga, alas 3 pa daw. Our rooms are gonna be ready at 3 p.m. So we are about to go to the center. Hanap na kami ng makakainan. Gutom na kasi si Mitch. Yung mo si Mitch. Siyempre, ikaw yung bida sa lahat ng travels.
Can I taste the water too?
You can taste the water if you want, Nico. Pusya at kami, papasyal na muna. Bye! So guys, tapos na kaming kumain and we ate pad thai and mango sticky rice and now we're actually going back to our hotel kasi check-in time is 3 p.m. and right now it's 2:45. So, ayun lang. And it's a really nice day today in Amsterdam. The sun is up. Look, canals everywhere. Nico, how was your food?
What's good?
It was good.
Pad Thai.
So, ayun lang guys. Bye. Mag-room tour kami mamaya. Ciao. Yes, Mitch. Don't look in my room. Room tour. Let's go. Guys. So, isang bed lang talaga. Separated. So, this is our room.
Carpet naman siya.
Everyone. We have our own coffee machine here. The bed's big. So, ayan lang guys. Ito yung bed namin. Then yung CR namin. TV. Nico is here. Nico will sleep here in the sofa. Joke.
Sa baba maganda oh.
Oo nga no, ang lambot ng carpet. So, we're here in Mercure Hotels. Yung room nila is doon lang din sa 9th floor. I mean, dito lang din sa 9th floor, pero doon sa kabilang, like, far away. We're near the elevator. So, ayun lang guys, magpapahinga muna kami. And later on, we will explore the city center of Amsterdam. So here's our view.
Not quite good.
Only the ilog and the bridge, but there's a construction right there. So, and see you later. Bye!